Hey, how's it going? And this is a video I wasn't planning on doing, but I ran into an error in the verse in Visual Studio, and I just wanted to post this video to show you how you might be able to resolve it. The error is expected expression, comma, got space in indented block, and it's V error colon S88. And this error arose when I was trying to do a Epic Games tutorial and I was copying some verse code from that tutorial into Visual Studio. So I'll show you exactly the steps you need to take to resolve it, or at least the steps I took to resolve this. And this was only after trying a million and one things. Here's the code that we're trying to copy here. So I have it highlighted. Well, I'll just go ahead and show you. So I've just got my cursor up here, and I'm just selecting all the code here, going all the way to the end. I'm hitting Control C, and now I'm going to go into Visual Studio. I have a verse device, and this is in Visual Studio, and it's a blank slate. I've taken all the code out of here, and I'm just going to hit Control V. Now, right away, I noticed something. I noticed that this wasn't lined up here. Everything else was lined up, but the modules weren't lined up. So I thought, oh, well, I'll just delete this and line these up. So I'll just hit delete, 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 and then everything looks good to go. I'm getting an error here because I don't have the class imported yet, and I'm going to do that next. But anyway, what happened is I wanted to add code to this code, so I hit enter here, and notice I get this error. And it doesn't matter what I put here, like I can put code here, editable. Let's say I want to add a button device here, which is exactly what I was trying to do. Button, I'll just put it all in there. Button device equals button device, like that. And if we go to this error, here's what we get. Expected expression got space in indented block. And no matter what I tried to do, I cannot get rid of that. After just trying a million and one things like Thomas Edison, I finally got this to work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hit Control A and delete all that. Now I'm going to go back to the code. It's still highlighted. I'm going to right click, go copy. Come back in here. I'm going to paste the code in here, Control V. And what we're going to do is I'm going to come up here to the top line before this offset begins. And I'm just going to hit enter and make some space there. And then what I'm going to do, and this is just how I did it, is I'm just going to copy this first line of code here and go Control X, and I'm just going to paste it back up here like that. I didn't have success doing this as a block, so I'm just doing each line individually. Control X. We're not going to do this for every line of code, trust me. And we'll come up here, and this is the last one. Control X, and we'll come up here and go Control V. Then what we're going to do, but I'm going to go ahead and select this code here, exactly it, from no extra spaces or anything. And I'm going to hit Control X, and I'm going to come up here to the very last space there and hit Control V. And it comes in, and I'm going to space off there, so I'm going to hit enter and come down. And now I'm pretty well lined up again. And now if I come over here and I hit enter, no more error. Now I did notice that this red squiggly line is still down here, but all you have to do is just delete it. I'm not sure what's causing that, but now it's 100% gone, and I can go ahead and enter code now. So now I can go ahead and go at editable. Got scared there for a minute because I looked like it was coming up. Button device. I just want to make sure that I can enter code here. Button device. Yeah, so it's working. I don't see it anymore. I am getting an error here, but that's because I haven't imported the class. But anyway, I just wanted to give this information out there in case anybody else was having this same problem, because it is extremely frustrating. But anyway, take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.